Hey guys, today let's try to set video call camera settings on Messenger. So if you guys are wondering how to set the video call camera settings whenever you try to, well, do a video call on Messenger, in this video tutorial, I'm going to go ahead and teach you guys how to set this step by step. So please watch this video until the end to find out just how. Alright you guys, so what we actually need to do first in order for us to access our video call camera settings is to proceed with launching the Messenger application first. Now once we're already here, once you tap on your settings of your Messenger applications, there's actually no direct way for us to access our video call camera settings. But we can do that once we're already on a call. So you need to go ahead and basically proceed with being in a call with somebody first. So I'm going to go ahead and do that right now. So once we're already on this call, basically turn on your cameras, guys, and we can actually proceed with editing its settings just by going ahead and tapping on the call settings. And of course, the most that we can do from here is to just edit the call audio output and screen sharing options. But if you want to go ahead and do some stuff with your camera settings, we could actually proceed with tapping on the camera effects over here and choose some effects that you could actually apply on your camera. Also do the same with your camera lighting, and also enable the touch up so that you could of course touch up your face whenever you guys are trying to show your face on the camera. And those are the settings that we can actually do on the camera of our video call once we are on Messenger. So thank you guys for watching this video. Please like it and subscribe, and take care.